Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, they are rounding them all up. The Olowo Ojijis, the sudden wealth, Hushpuppi were still on. The story continues to evolve. Guys, I bring you this. Hushpuppi is Nigeria's most wanted hacker. He has a case to answer, EFCC says. So that's the headline now that we are going to with this video. The EFCC are now chiming in. They knew this, of course, all the while this guy was flying in and out of Nigeria, from Nigeria to Dubai, doing big boy and going first class and blinging. But now that the Americans and the Dubai authorities have caught up with him, suddenly they have now come to the realization that he's Nigeria's most prolific hacker. So again, the headline, Hushpuppi is Nigeria's most wanted hacker. He has a case to answer, EFCC says. So now let's now see what Ibrahim Magu has to say on the matter. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, has described Hushpuppi as Nigeria's most wanted hacker who has a case to answer with the agency. In a statement released today, June 18, by its spokesperson, Dele Oyewale, the agency said it is working with the FBI to trace the victims of Hushpuppi's alleged fraudulent transactions, as well as trace other fraudsters that might have direct involvement with him. So here is EFCC's statement now. Nigeria's most wanted hacker, Ramoni Igbalode alias Ray Hushpuppi, recently arrested by the International Police Interpol and the Federal Bureau of Investigation FBI, has considerable cases of cyber crimes being investigated by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. The commission is familiar with the grisly details of its money laundering transactions involving many high-profile cyber criminals facing trial in Nigeria. The commission is engaging with the FBI in tracing victims of its fraudulent transactions and other fraudsters having direct involvement with him. Local cyber criminals with money laundering networks with him are also being investigated. Hushpuppi was arrested on Wednesday, June 10, 2020 in the United Arab Emirates in connection with an alleged $35 million ventilator scam. He is still being held in Dubai. So, in Yoruba land, we say Ojo gbogbo ni tole, Ojo kan ni tolong. Every day is for the thief, but one day is for the owner. This is really the translation and the narrative really of this guy's life. This I have no sympathy for these guys on so many levels, and I have expanded on this on a previous video. So these guys, they are criminals, one, so they have no empathy. They get no empathy from me. They are criminals, one, so they get no empathy, but they are dumb too. So you're a criminal doing all this fraud, and rather than you then hide your head away and plead poverty and pretend like you have nothing, all they do is to splash themselves all over social media, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, Gramming is WhatsApping and all this kind of nonsense. They're all over Twitter, everywhere. And the flashing is, of course, 24 karat gold head to toe, Versace, Givenchy, Brulini, whatever, all the Italian names and all this kind of nonsense, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Penthouse, you know, this kind of. So people will then ask, of course, where is this money coming from? Because they don't know you for business, they don't know you for a profession, they don't know you for anything other than this money. So where is this money coming from is what flashes these people up to the authorities to lead them to the position where the FBI and the EFCC are now tussling for this guy, for who will have him in custody. So his own has met him now, to put it in the translation in English, because I know that not all of my followers, all of my subscribers are Yoruba speakers. So this guy has now met his Waterloo, and they will meet their Waterloo one by one for reasons of criminality, and more importantly for reasons of stupidity. Conversations in the comment section, the EFCC and the FBI are tussling over Hushpuppi. Who do you think should win that fight, and where would you like to see him? I, for one, would like to see him with the Americans, because I know justice will prevail there. But if it comes to Nigeria, we all know what the system is there. Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. Hushpuppi is who we are talking about. But before you come to the comment section to engage, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Click on the bell button as well. That notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then click on like as well if you like the video. Then come to the comment section to engage with me regarding the 419 goings on within the Nigerian space. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say,